Thank you so much. Welcome everybody. This is Smiles Talk Show. Guys, this gonna be work. This gonna be strong. This gonna be sweet. And this gonna be very bold and open platform. After a very long weekend. Since Saturday, we came on Sunday and also on Monday, Madaraka Day. Hapa siku ya leo tumelaunch siku ambayo itakuwa ni siku ya kukumbukwa katika Smiles Studio and Photography. What are we doing in Smiles Real Talk Show? Hapa tunaongea, hapa tunaleta maonekano yetu, tunaleta maoni yetu, na hapa ni kwa meza ambayo kila mmoja amealikwa. Sio wanasiasa peke yake, pia wasanii mbalimbali tutakuwa tunawakusanya hapa kila siku ili tuweze kusikizana na tujue how we are going to have this real talk show ikiendelea vizuri. And guys, maybe I can talk to you and give you a real story. Guys, the first story ambayo naweza wapea, it is all about life. Unajua wengi wetu tunaishi katika hali ngumu sana ya maisha. Wengine wetu tunaishi katika maisha ambayo hatuamini na hatujui kama ni maisha ya laana ama ni maisha ya kujikuta katika yenyewe kwenye maisha yetu. Na hapa katika Smiles Real TV show, we are going to be presenting to you everything, every real story, because many of us, we are from different, very humble backgrounds, very humble backgrounds, but with very great future, with a very open and a very sweet future. So I'm here to tell you, karibu sana, tune in kila siku, kila wakati. Tuko hapa kukuburudisha, tuko hapa kukuelimisha, tuko hapa kukuonyesha mwelekeo, tuko hapa kuhakikisha all our guests, all our people, all our audience wamefurahia, wamebambika. And I want to assure you, I want to promise you, hatuta let down. This is gonna be sweet. This is gonna be best from Chogoria. This is gonna be best from Mara constituency. This is gonna be best from Tharaka Nithi County, because we are raising up the great people, we are raising up the great minds, we are raising up the great future, because even the people says, even we ourselves says that future belongs to those with future. We are the ones with future. We are the ones to make these people of ours see the future in us. So let's tune in, let's follow the Chogoria photography, Smiles Photography Studio and Photography. It's always, platforms. We are going to make this Smiles Real Talk Show. It is going to be an open show. It is going to be no platform, YouTube. It is going to be in TikTok. It is going to be in X. It is going to be everywhere. So guys, let's all tune in. Let's all come and rejoice together. Wadau, na si mnapenda hizi story sana. Hii si story ya jaba. Hii ni story iko. Hii ni story iko open kabisa. Hatukuji hapa kuwachocha eti tumetoka mbali. Sisi sio wase wachocha. We are bringing to you the reality of life. Kama ni stories za mabibi, ni stories za familia, we are here as the first people, the first page, the first directors to tell you, hizi mama zetu tutazipeleka aje, hizi familia zetu tutazipeleka aje, haya maisha yetu tutayapeleka vipi, hawa watoto wetu tutawapeleka vipi, hizi siasa ambazo tunazipiga siasa vipi. Na kwa hivyo usiachwe nyuma, tune in kwa Smiles Real Show, and I'm always the best of the best. Matras Mutugi is going to be your own each and every day host. So join me, tuburudike manze. Kwani hujachoka kutulianga tu kwa keja bila kitu una watch kila siku, bila kitu unafurahia manze? Kwani ya uchoki? So just tune in, just follow our pages so as we can be able to communicate, reach us, talk to us. We are going to welcome you, we are going to invite you, we are going to have a great talk with you. So guys, we are preparing more and more and more. Thank you so much. I'm always your host here, and thank you so much.
Mheshimiwa kunywanga hiyo.
Asante sana. So you have realized nanyongo hapa kwa studio. Asante sana my director, and I'm telling you guys, my name is Matras. I'm your host, and you know what? My director, my producer, my everything is no other than Smile. So guys, tune in, welcome, and I know everything gonna work it out. Thank you so much. na ni tamu na ina slap. Thank you so much guys. Hii maisha yetu ya town hatukunywangi chai breakfast. We enjoy the snacks, we enjoy masoda na nini. But guys, don't be used of this carbon dioxide, because juzi ndo nimegundua Predator inaleta a certain disease. So ukuwa umezoea kukunywa Predator, somehow inaweza kufanya moyo wako unadunda haraka. So as you drink these snacks, limit yourself. Know what you are drinking. I really like Minute Maid and I really like Coke. That's why you can see I'm enjoying my Coca-Cola this morning. So guys, let's tune in. Let's be happy together. Let's smile together. Just listen to the word smile. So we have to smile each and every day. And as you can see, I'm a smiling machine. Nikikunywa una meza. Karibu sana. So everything gonna be well and we are preparing for good. Thank you so much.